So, hello. What's up, guys? How's it going? We are back yet again with another development live stream, and I've got some interesting ideas for this stream now. I'm gonna try something different. Now I know that I've been working on this game for the last several streams now, and it was pretty much me working on the solo. So I've decided to involve a couple of you guys in the development process, and the selection criteria is quite simple. I am going to select one of the members on my stream to help me work on this game and contribute. So whenever a member joins into the chat, I will tell them about the process. I've already added the code to GitHub so I can share it easily. I'm gonna add the person who I select as a collaborator, and we'll work on it together. Okay, so before we begin, let me just say hello to each and every one of you guys. So Yash Katre, hello. Kush Singh Thakur, hello. Bless, hello. Omkar Wag, hello. Toon Vibe Games, hello. And with that, what we'll do is Rugvex, hello. I will show you guys what we have worked on so far. I'm gonna turn off the volume so that it doesn't blast our ears, because the soundtrack that we've chosen is too intense. Pura Bagarwal, hello. Okay, so far, actually even I kind of forgot what we've worked on, so I need to revise myself on this. This is what we've worked on. We added a stop sign, stop obstacle, and yeah, this was the game. Woo! Okay, now I need help from you folks to make it better. Okay, this was the game that we made, and now I'm gonna take help from the community to help finish this game. Wow, damn, something happened, something broke. Anyway, so I just finished my new high score based body cam shooting game. Fantastic, Kush. That's awesome. Aloo khalo. De do bhai aloo. Too much swirl. Yeah. So obviously, naturally, the game is not perfect right now. We will try to make it better. Unleashed Avatar का gameplay trailer देखा बहुत बढ़िया लगा. It is pretty good, very well made. Looking forward for more updates. एक बार भैया प्लीज दे दो ना, मैं तो रेडी हूँ. दे दो आलू, मैं खा लूँगा. I think this was fine. 6. Rugvex, हो मी जेवलो, तू जेवलास का? Okay, so members. Who is over here? Who from the members list is over here? Guys, by the way, if you want to get access to some exclusive content, you can join my members club. I have some very amazing perks for members. Membership starts at 59 rupees a month, but there's an exclusive tier starting at 159 rupees a month, wherein you will get access to my daily vlogs and a lot of interesting content. So if you can spare 159 rupees per month, please go ahead. I would definitely recommend you to join my membership club. If you are not joining, that's also completely fine. I still love coming live and chatting with you guys. Also guys, if you want to support my journey, you can use this QR code or the super chat option. Each and every donation that you do helps me a lot as a content creator, and I love making videos for you guys. So it genuinely helps with equipments, with motivation, whatnot. Okay, but I want to become a game developer. How do I start? I'm in 12th pass. So okay, let's do one thing before we dive into the development. Let me just take a few Q&As, questions, so that we can set the tone, and I'll also wait for my members to join in. So this is going to be an interactive session now for the next 5-10 minutes or so, and after that we will resume development. Okay, so Purab, if you want to become a game developer after 12th, here's what I would recommend. 2 things, 2 paths in general. Okay, first path is ask your parents if they can afford your education for game development. Okay, it's a very risky choice, of course, to ask your parents to support you for game development, but you should go ahead and ask them. And you can easily make a case for learning game development because it has got tons and tons of government support now. You can mention our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's immense support for the gaming industry, and try and convince them to opt you into a game development college instead of a traditional engineering or a BCom or a BSc kind of structure. If they don't agree, don't get disheartened. It's okay. A lot of people, good game developers, don't have a formal game development education. In that case, what should we do? In that case, go ahead, go for a formal degree, go for a BSc, go for a BCom, complete your basic education. That should be mandatory. At the side, start learning game development by yourself. It is 100% possible. You can do it. I chose the second path. I did not get myself a formal game development education. I had enrolled myself into engineering, but I kind of was able to manage my time properly, and generally you can do that. I mean, it's no big deal. You can do that. So after 12th, if you want to become a game developer, either go for a formal game development education, or just go ahead, go for a basic degree and start making games. Mumbai Gullies, there are no Mumbai Gullies updates. All the Mumbai Gullies updates we have pushed to the next year. So you won't hear about Mumbai Gullies this year from me. There won't be any demos showcasing at IGDC as well this year. So all the Mumbai Gullies updates, if you have joined my channel, if you are subscribed to me for Mumbai Gullies, stay patient till 2026. I don't have any updates for Mumbai Gullies till then. I want to learn AI, ML, any roadmap. So SKOP, I mean, see, while I'm not an expert in AI or ML, what I would recommend is just basic stuff that has worked out for me, which is practice. Given 4 hours a day, 5 hours a day, create a schedule for yourself. Don't overwork yourself as well. Don't burden yourself with a lot of information or knowledge. Space it out. Things take time. You need 10,000 hours of practice in any skill to master it. So try and clock in 10,000 hours. It might so happen that some days instead of 4 to 5 hours, you will have to give 5, 10, 14 hours. Sometimes it might happen. But that's what it takes to learn any skill and master any skill. So yeah, in terms of AI ML roadmap, I would say I would recommend one channel to you. His name is Striver, and I'd met him during this guy. I'll share my screen one second. If you are looking for an AI or ML roadmap, I think this guy can help you. This channel can help you. He's got about 300,000 subscribers, and he is active on Instagram nowadays, not so much on YouTube, I guess, but you guys can still check out his channel. I met him when I was giving a TED talk. So yeah, this guy Striver. बड़ा मुश्किल है उस शख्स को गिराना जिन्हें ठोकरों ने चलना सिखाया है. That is so nice. That is such a nice statement. 2026 में बहुत गेम्स आ रहे हैं सर, और एक मेरा फेवरेट भी आने वाला है. कौन सा वाला भाई? 2026 में मेरा भी फेवरेट गेम आने वाला है. I'm now continuing to pursue BTech and side by side. From where and how I try to learn game development. So Purab Agarwal, there is a platform called Spawn School that has some very, very nice courses on game development. You can go ahead and check it out. This is the platform. Okay. I would recommend their Unreal Certified C++ program or Certified Game Programmer program. These two are pretty good. Certified Unreal Engine will teach you how to make games using Unreal Engine C++, and Certified game programmer will teach you how to make games using Unity game engine. So you can check out either one of these two courses on Spawn School platform. SKOP, most welcome. Love you too, brother. Nice motivation line. Yeah. Baki, what's up, guys? What's new? Did you guys have your dinner? Any troubles in your life? Let's talk. Let's chat. Ankit Prasad, hello. Purab, most welcome. All the best to you, buddy. So, game developer roadmap ka details. So, Kshitij Bangde, it's a very interesting question. Okay, I'll try to answer. Okay, so you want to become a game developer. There are a few things that you need to answer. What do you want to do in game development? Because game development has so many disciplines, multiple disciplines. For example, there is game programming, there's game art, there's game testing, there is game design. So first and foremost, decide what you want to become. Okay, game development, fine, but what in game development? Then next thing, once you've decided what you want to become, then start studying deeper about what goes on into that picture. Okay, so for example, if you want to become a game programmer, you need to know programming naturally, right? So what sort of programming? So I would recommend start with C++, then start working in game engines like Unity game engine, Unreal Engine, etc. If you want to become a game artist, now further there is a further differentiation. Do you want to become a 2D artist or 3D artist? Then 2D artist requires you to go after softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, and GIMP or whatnot. Manan Soni, hello. For 3D artists, you need to know how to use 3D softwares like Blender, Maya, 3ds Max, etc. So essentially what it boils down to is what sort of softwares to use to make games, right? Then comes game design, which is one of the most misunderstood fields in game development. Game design has nothing to do with art. It is to do with logical thinking. What would you think will make a game fun to play? Okay, and then game testing. Game testing is pretty much the most entry-level job. You can apply for a game tester job without any qualifications as well. You just need to love playing games. So yeah, the roadmap really depends on the kind of career path you want to pursue in game development. I think you forgot about my game. Yes, no, yeah, I didn't forget. It's just that recently I've been getting so many queries, so many inquiries. It becomes just difficult to sort out through everything. But yeah, I keep following your stuff on your Twitter or X. So good stuff. Good evening, sir. Can I ask my doubt here? Legend unknown for sure. Go ahead, please ask. Do I need to get a haircut, guys? Do I need to get a haircut? Should I get a haircut? Yes or no? Let's see. I mean, see, my forehead is super like this, super bald. But if I do like this, then I can do like this as well. I can be like so. But the issue is, it's so hot right now in Mumbai. It's October heat. So yeah. Utkarsh Vishwas, what happened to Mumbai gullies? Utkarsh, we are still developing it. We faced some financial issues because we ran out of money during the development cycle. So we figured out an alternate way of making the game now. So yeah, we are working on it. We faced a lot of problems, a lot of troubles. I don't want to get dramatic and all, but long story short, we were working towards it. We ran out of money. Then we struggled for a while, and now we are kind of back on track, hopefully. Any meetup plans in Mumbai? Not in the immediate future, but I will host a meetup in IGDC. Make it a Korean BTS hairstyle. भाई इंसान ही बने रहना यार, ऐसा मत बनाओ. सर मैंने आपको मैसेज किया है बट आपने रिप्लाई नहीं किया. क्षितिज कहाँ पे मैसेज किया है? कैन यू जस्ट टेल मी, बिकॉज बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आते रहते हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई एम नॉट एबल टू reply and revert back to all. बॉल्डमैन कहता है मैं तो वो तो कहता है कि टकला हो जाओ. ठीक है भाई, टकला हो जाएंगे. इंस्टाग्राम. सो क्षितिज यार, व्हाट इज़ योर आईडी? कैन यू जस्ट टेल मी योर आईडी? इंस्टाग्राम, लिंक्डइन, सुपर लोडेड. भाई या तो आप हकला एसआर के बन जाओ, नहीं तो आप ऐसे ही अच्छे हो. ठीक है भाई. जस्टिन प्रिएटो 98. लेट मी चेक. In future, Python will be used more in game development for AI characters' behavior. I'm not sure. I mean, Python is not that widely used as such. So I'm not sure. Japanese guy, hello. Hello. Justin Prieto. 98. मुझे गेम डेवलपर बनना है. मुझे अब स्टेप बाय स्टेप रोड मैप बताओगे. आई होप कि आप मेरा मैसेज सीन कर लोगे. क्षितिज अभी जस्ट मैंने बताया रोड मैप ऑफ अ गेम डेवलपर. मनन सोनी यार, स्मूथ कभी स्मूथ चलती है, कभी लड़खड़ा जाती है, कभी अड़खड़ा जाती है. सब चल रहा है, लाइफ है. बट या इवन आई एम वेटिंग टू प्ले इट नाउ. अभी यार इतना टाइम हो गया है कि यार बस ऐसे हो रहा है कि यार कब हम लोग उसको रेडी करें. आई मीन सपना तो मेरा भी है ना यार कि गेम अच्छा बने. सर आप गाइड करोगे क्या? मैं गाइड कर लूँगा. लेज़ी शेड स्टूडियो, लेज़ी यार वंस अगेन ना क्षितिज, एक मिनट. लेज़ी शेड स्टूडियो. सो अरे कोई बात नहीं. I was thinking, I was just talking to the subscribers before you joined that I'm finally going to give collaborator access to the repository. So what we can do is we can connect on voice call, okay, and I will add you as a collaborator. See, I already had committed my project folder to GitHub. Now I've decided that I will let you guys take over, and the members of my channel will get access to the source code and early access of the source code. So whoever is a member on my channel can come and get access to this. Also, by the way guys, this is my members club. So if you want to get access to this members club, you have to be a member, and you know, you will get access to all these amazing chats over here. So we talk a lot over here, we chat a lot. I try to give priority to the members, and it's a lot of fun. So if you want to join the members club, go ahead. Membership starts at 59 rupees a month, and for even the basic tier you will get access to the members only Discord server. So let me join my voice channel. Hey Lazy Shed, what's up? Hey, one sec. Hey Lazy Shed, what's up?
Hi, am I audible?
Yes sir, you are audible. So Lazy, what I was sorry?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so what I was thinking was, as I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna give you access to the repository, GitHub repository, so that you can start pulling it on your end, and you can start making changes directly one after the other. So can you just give me your Discord ID? Not Discord ID, sorry, GitHub ID.
Yeah. Will do one sec.
Yeah, you can just type it down in the Discord server. So guys, let me show you how to add collaborators. As you can see, this is my Rickshaw Rampage repository, and I'm about to give collaborator access to one of the members. So if you want to get access to repository, if you want to get access to some amazing stuff, you can go ahead, join my members only members club. भाई मेरे जोड़ ले भाई, मैं अभी आया. सॉरी,
I sent it on the chat, the GitHub ID.
Oh, on our personal chat.
General chat.
General. I don't.
Uh, Club.
Exclusive club? Nah. No, I couldn't see it.
No, in the VC chat.
VC chat. Oh,
General
okay.
VC chat.
Cool. Yes, got it. Blastipede. What's the story behind Blastipede? I'm curious.
Do you watch Slug Terra? Did you watch Slug Terra
No.
by any chance?
Nope.
So it was basically this cartoon where they used to collect slugs and put them in guns and then shoot them, and they evolved into majestic beasts.
I see.
So there was this slug, and his name was Blastipede. He left lava which exploded. So I was very fond of him, so I just kept
Wow.
that as my name.
Interesting. Oh, you like shooters a lot, right? Because I saw that even your H.io submission for BYOG was a shooter game. It was quite fun, by the way.
No, BYOG didn't submit a shooter.
Oh, okay.
I submitted that beat gnome thing.
Yeah, but
The
you.
shooter was a submission for another jam,
I see.
which was launched to X Avalanche. So basically, these guys do this like really big prize pool jams, but
Okay.
in return, you have to put their SDKs inside and like put them on their
Yeah.
website and all. So it
Yeah.
was good money, so I participated.
Yeah. Okay, so I have a question by Utkarsh Vishwas. Have you spoken with Nikhil Kamath, Varun Maya, and Tanmay about the financials or leveraging their networks to help you raise funding? Utkarsh, yes, I have spoken actually. But sometimes things don't go as planned. Okay, so संयम का chat miss हो गया. Hey, can you suggest some tips for a game optimization in Unity? Cause I'm new game dev working on project facing a lot of performance issues. Blastipede, maybe I'll stop calling you lazy because lazy kind of gets confused with the other guy. So I'll just call you Blastipede.
Yeah.
There is a question
fine.
over here about optimization tips in Unity. Maybe you can take this one.
Yeah, which like 3D or 2D?
Let's talk in general. Let's talk about 3D.
Yeah, so for 3D, basically, you need to learn about light maps and all, draw calls, batches, and all of that stuff. So basically, whenever you make a 3D game, it's not all about just good 3D assets. You also have to keep in mind the number of draw calls you're getting, batches, the lighting. So Thomas Brush is actually a really famous game dev YouTuber. So he used to make 2D games and really beautiful ones, that too. So he switched to 3D for his major, which is Twisted Towers. You can check it out later on. And it was such a beautiful game. But the problem with it was so unoptimized. It took him 3 years to recover from that stuff.
Wow.
And he actually made a video about that thing, that how he reduced the lighting, made light maps, and actually optimized the game so that it actually is ready for release. And how he spent about a year on a 15-minute demo. So
Damn.
that's really nice if you want to check it out.
What was the video? Can you just share the link over here in chat?
Yeah, I will. Thomas Brush is an insane YouTuber if you want
Yeah,
to
of
start
course.
3D dev.
Of course. Thomas Brush. So guys, this is Thomas Brush YouTube channel. You should definitely check him out. He's a very, very popular YouTuber, and his content around games, game development, specifically around art, is very, very nice. So, I realized that I haven't subscribed to his channel yet. I did it right now on the stream. So guys, Thomas Brush, go ahead, check it out.
I don't remember the video, but yeah, you can check it out for sure.
Okay.
Did you send me the request?
I did, yes. I have sent you collaborator access for Rickshaw Rampage at Blastipede.
Okay, I'll see.
I can actually share the link with you as well over here on Discord if you want.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah.
can
sent.
just clone it on my PC.
Yeah. Can you just share your screen so I'll just show people the process of cloning as
Okay,
well?
okay. I'll have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. One sec. I'll have to figure some stuff out. Close the screen.
Yeah. Let's not expose your sinister tabs.
Yeah. Yes, yeah. No, not sinister tabs. It's just some personal stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll present.
So guys, I have shared access with one of the members on my channel, Blastipede. He goes by the name Lazy Shed Studios on chat, and we are going to work on Rickshaw Rampage together. So I've shared my screen over here. You can see his screen. I've sent me an access on GitHub, and have you accepted? No.
As you can see, this is how GitHub looks like, and so to clone a repository on your PC, you should go at like just download GitHub desktop, and once you downloaded GitHub desktop, this actually makes your life easier because and otherwise you'll have to use a lot of CMD and stuff.
Yeah.
And that's like a 1 day full reels and all. So it's rather better that you just open GitHub desktop, and once you've booted that and you have the URL, you just clone the repository. So here are the repositories, like current repository. It's a random repository I was working on. So you just go to your current repository, add, and then clone. So you choose the path over here and go to URL and just paste the URL that you have for the repository. So suppose send me this. I just copy this link and paste this, and I choose choose whatever you want, and then I clone this. Acha, is it an invitation link?
Yeah, it was an
Okay, this
invitation.
is not a.
Yeah, but alternatively, what you can do is you can
Okay,
just go.
I cloned my.
Yeah, so you can just accept the invitation, and on this page also you can directly, go to the code tab and you can clone it from there. Yeah,
Yeah,
from here.
you can all you can do is like just go over here and download zip or open with GitHub
Yeah,
desktop. This will
I.
give you game files,
Yeah,
and this will open it on GitHub
yeah,
desktop. And this is the URL that I was talking about. Just go over here, add, clone, URL, paste, and clone.
done.
Okay.
There's a question from Legend Unknown. Sir, in India, piracy is a major issue. Indian culture hasn't been implemented in games, and Indians always face racism globally. Also, when it comes to experience, we are inexperienced to make big games. Also, we don't have a lot of investors who are willing to take a risk, and buying games is still a concept for Indians. All of this combined with lack of innovations in a world where gaming is becoming boring, how are we Indians supposed to get global recognition? And what shall we do to make feel the gaming new and not a rip-off of an already existing genre? Wow, that's a long question. So, Legend Unknown, a couple of people from the community are already
That's
trying.
full of claims.
Yeah, like a couple of people are already trying to make the gaming situation better in India. I think right now the best thing that we can do is build from India for the global market. So try to build games that can have a global appeal. Because honestly, people outside of India are the only ones who are willing to pay for games. What are your thoughts on this, Blastoid?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that it's not about talent and all. It's just that we'll take our time, okay? Like everything takes time.
Yeah.
So everything that's premature is bad.
Yeah.
So we're just a premature audience, in my opinion. We'll take our time to grow, and when we are there, we'll be shining,
Yeah.
in my opinion. It'll take some time, but there'll be games from India for sure.
Yeah. 100%. 100%.
100%.
Okay, so has the repository been cloned on your end?
I'm downloading, sir.
बी गेमर गेम्स बोल रहा है ए भाई रिक्शा गेम बनाना, और क्या मैं आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट दूँ, एक अच्छी गेम बनाओ लो एंड पीसी के लिए पर अच्छी क्वालिटी का. बी गेमर गेम्स यार बना ही रहे, टेंशन मत लो. मैंने अभी जस्ट सोर्स कोड का एक्सेस शेयर किया है ब्लास्टिविडी के साथ, एंड ही इज क्लोनिंग इट ऑन हिज एंड. वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन दिस कोलैबोरेटिवली. So just stay patient for a while. थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखो. कर रहे काम भाई.
Yeah.
वड़ा पाव नहीं बना रहे भाई.
वड़ा पाव सर वड़ा पाव बनाते हैं, इट वुड बी रादर बेटर.
Yeah, right.
मैंने खाया है, ये पता है.
I mean,
Had वड़ा.
most of the vada pav sellers might be earning more than game developers at times, which is honestly the
अरे
truth.
oh my god,
दुखती नस पे हाथ रख दिया था.
earning more is just crazy. नहीं मैं तो खैर कुछ कमा ही नहीं रहा हूँ अभी, it's just
क्षितिज बांगड़े ब्लेंडर 3D एनिमेशन सीखना ज़रूरी है क्या? I mean it depends. If you want to become a 3D animator, then Blender 3D is a good option. What do you think, Plastic?
in my opinion, it is good if you want to emphasize on your characters. After all, everything depends on the game you're making. If it has a big role of your characters, then you should focus on that, or else there are a lot of pre-made animations and assets.
Yeah.
Put on it.
And there's also a 2D optimization question over here. 2D optimization mainly issue in mobile UI button delay. For example, if I press button in 2D game in mobile devices, there is so much delay in input and my player jumps after a couple of milliseconds. Sayam, I think that is just, your
Yeah, so
implementation of UI might not be proper. Like you can use on button down as an event or a trigger event to get that proper input. You might be using
and also
delay.
stop using Unity Remote 5 for testing.
Yeah.
Using Unity Remote 5 for testing is the baddest decision you can take, because it actually reduces the quality of your game. So the thing is, I'll tell you a story. So 1 year ago, I spilled some water on my laptop while working, like studying for an exam.
Okay.
So I couldn't work on any project for the duration. So one of my friends had a laptop and they wanted to learn game dev.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, I'll borrow this, but I'll teach you in return.
Okay.
So we made a mobile game for 1 month,
Yeah.
and while testing it in Unity Remote 5, the optimization was so bad. I was confused, like, why is it so bad? Why is it so bad? We optimized it to like so good that a 500 MB game went to 250, like half
Okay.
the size.
Wow.
And then we figured that it was just a Unity Remote 5 problem and not the game's problem.
Oh damn, that must have been so frustrating. What a bummer.
Yeah, it was not even a problem. Not my fault.
Yeah. Yogi says I'm using free Unity. Can I upload game in Play Store without any issues? Yogi, yes, you can upload your game on Play Store. The only criteria is you should, if you're earning more than $200,000, which means 2 lakh US dollars, then you have to go for the pro version. But Unity free is also available. So if you earn less than $200,000 annually in one annual year, then you can easily use Unity free. That's not an issue. So Blastipede, can you just walk us through what we are going to do in the game now, in our rickshaw simulator game?
I would have done, but my thing hasn't started downloading. Like the Wi-Fi is bad, very bad.
So let me share my screen.
And I'll do that for sure. Yeah.
So maybe you can look at this.
Should
over
we make
here.
a Miro document to make a to-do list for the same?
Sure.
Like what all is needed to be done.
Sure. You can make the Miro board, and
Yeah, I'll make the document and share the link.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So guys, now we've actually started proper production on this game, collaborative production. Blastipede over here is making a Miro board to make a to-do list on what all we should achieve in the game, and we already have some base code which I'm not quite happy with actually, because there are lots and lots of bugs right now that have started to pop up. So I think that needs to be fixed. And now that I'm looking at this game after 2 weeks, I'm not quite happy with the visual feel of the game as well. So this is what we've worked on so far, guys.
Sir, can you just open? I'll show a visual representation of optimization in Unity 3D.
Sure, what
If
should
you
I
can
do?
just click on stats, which is next to Gizmo's top right.
Yeah.
Press stats, which is next to Gizmo's
Yeah, I've
top
pressed.
right.
I've pressed. Yeah, I've
It's
pressed
not
it.
visible for me for some reason. Acha, it is visible. So you can see that the batches are 64, right?
Yeah.
So for a PC game, you should always aim for less than 100 batches. If your
Okay.
game exceeds 100 batches, so it's gonna like blow up the PC. So try to keep it 100
Yeah. So guys, as you can see over
always.
here, currently the game has 64 batches, and as per Blastopede's recommendation, this should be less than 100. Otherwise, you will run into multiple issues. Whoa! Wait!
Yes,
Wait!
like
Wait!
that's
Wait! Oh my
recommended. You
God!
can push it if the visuals are looking good.
Look at this.
What happened?
Look at the batches.
Okay,
1,800.
so this is bad. See, this is straight up bad.
Yeah.
This is straight up bad.
Yeah.
If you put it on a mobile device, it will have so many problems.
Right.
So to reduce this, what you can do is try turning off the directional light and see how down the batches go.
Okay.
It will look bad, I know, but just look
Yeah.
how down the batches go.
Mm, it
Is it less?
it's still in the thousands range.
Okay, so it's probably the models, textures, and a lot of stuff going on the
Yeah.
thing. Uh, Now how much does it have while loading?
I think I need to take some water.
What is the problem?
It's 1,800 with the directional
Yeah,
light,
drink.
and without the light, it
Okay,
is 1,400.
my God. That's too much. I don't even know what the problem is because we didn't check as we did
Yeah.
stuff. We
Yeah.
just vibe coded,
Yeah.
and the code is entirely mess. So it's
Code
pretty
is
much.
terrible. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'll
This
just
is like
quickly grab
a
a.
tower made out of cards, and if you, yeah, do it.
Yeah, you can talk meanwhile.
It's like a card made out of, like a tower made out of cards, and if you blow at it, it will just collapse. So what should we focus on today? Just the Miro boarding or the optimization and all? Because it's a tough job.
Okay, I'm back.
Yeah, sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
What should we focus on today, the Miro board or the optimization?
Let's focus on the Miro board first. Let's have our requirements sorted out so that it's visually in front of us.
I'm just filling in the stuff.
Yeah. So guys, we are now creating a Miro board to gather our requirements on what we are supposed to build for the game.
Share.
And is it possible for you to have the link public so that everyone else can also see?
Yeah, I'll do that. Anyone with the link,
Yeah.
editor access. Acha, I have to upgrade. Everywhere. Copy. Acha, what is your email I'll need?
It's nikhil.malankar@gmail.com. I'm gonna type it down over here in chat.
Okay.
While that happens, I'll just take a look at a few chat. Prakhar Mishra asks, what do you think of using stable diffusion to create textures for 3D models? So I'm not particularly an artist, but Blastobeat, can you take this one? What about using stable diffusion to generate textures?
Stable diffusion, is it smooth shading? Like what exactly is he talking about?
Prakhar, can you elaborate on your question, please? भाई निखिल क्या कर रहे हो? रिक्शा गेम पे क्या कर रहे हो क्या? मतलब कुछ बता दो, समझ नहीं आ रहा।
सर मैंने आपको इनविटेशन भेजा है।
ओके।
I sent you the invitation. Yeah, I'll send the viewing link also so
या
that you can share it in the chat and everyone can view.
यस सर, रिसीव्ड इट।
I'll rename this to Rickshaw Rampage.
या
Rampage. Yeah, that's done.
ओके कूल।
So we're here. So here's a sticky note. Uh, Rickshaw Rampage.
Okay, so
So
guys,
that
what
is
if,
done. So this is the project.
hey, remember FOF indie game demo is out. Raj sir, congratulations on that. FOF game. Which was that? Fistful of Frags. FOF game. Raj sir, can you just tell me the full form of the game? FOF indie game. Congratulations on the demo, dude.
Beginning ending screen news. Sir, have you made the player pref system to save all of the high score and stuff?
I have not, no. There's no player
Ending
prefs.
screen news, player prefs to save the progress. Will there be cosmetics or just infinite runner?
I think we can add cosmetics for sure.
And currency
Rupees,
system.
yes.
Okay, so currency is there. Improve environment improve. Mood boarding is required to.
Yeah.
Okay, so 7 is mood boarding and making stuff better. So that's what comes to my mind when I see the game.
Fantastic.
For now.
Cool. Also guys, Fear of Failure demo is out, so you guys can check it out. I'm gonna leave the link in chat. Yeah. I had played this game on my stream a couple of weeks ago.
So did you check that theory about Ferdinand being Danny?
Who?
Ferdinand being Danny. So basically, there's this rumor that Danny is back, and
Okay.
there's this channel called as Ferdinand, which is Danny Dev spelled backwards.
Ah, Danny Dev.
So
Very Nad. Oh, okay. Can be possible. Very Nad.
So basically, this guy makes the biggest game dev YouTube in the world, and then goes out because of pressure, and then comes back, makes another hit game, and then is like refusing to claim that he's the same person. So pretty much a god.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, I remember Danny making. What was that game? I forgot.
He made Mark. He made Mark and Crab Game.
Crab game,
And lot of
one of the game that was for in dev for the longest time. What is that?
Yeah, Carlson.
Carlson,
36
yeah.
most wishlisted game.
Yeah, Carlson.
Yeah.
It never came out, right?
It has a demo. Yeah. He says that it will come out at 2069. Just for the memes.
Wow. But I don't see a demo either.
Coming soon though. There was a demo earlier. He removed it probably.
I see. Wedding ad.
The demo was a bit crappy.
I mean, it's possible that
Okay, time to relax with a new game before bed.
it is possible that he might be Danny.
See, everyone's talking about him. Danny, look at the comments.
Yeah.
Everyone's like, Danny. If you're Danny, it's good to have you back. If you're not, I'll be watching your career with great interest.
Yeah. Danny, we don't care if you
And
finish
everyone's like
Carlson.
making conspiracy theories because even if he's a Danny fan, he's from Norway. What coincidence?
Yeah.
Okay, so sir, back to the Miro board.
Oh yes, yes. I totally forgot about that.
Yeah. So yeah, we have work. We have work. We have work.
Yeah. So guys, these are the important things left to do in Rickshaw Rampage game. First one is reduce the number of batches. Second, beginning UI. Third, ending screen news. Fourth, we have to create player prefs to save the progress. Fifth, we have to implement a currency system. Then we have to improve the environment, and then we have to make a mood board and making stuff better. So yeah, lots of work ahead of us. Oh, what is this? Daily news.
So this is what I was planning. So basically, when the player dies, so there's this news article where this auto rickshaw driver is crashing,
Okay.
and this rotates like this and pops up on the screen,
Okay.
and it says that rickshaw driver caught or crashed, something
Yeah.
like that, and there is high score and all of that stuff,
Got it. Got it. Okay.
and retry and main menu. And for beginning UI, what I thought was there's this game called as Bao Bao's Cozy Adventure.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Like that.
Pratik. Yeah.
Yeah, so the thing I really like about it that it does not have any specific main menu,
Okay.
but what makes it very intuitive is that there's this text that pops up when you begin the game, which says the title screen,
Okay.
and it goes down, and the gameplay is revealed behind it.
Okay.
So we can do something similar.
Yeah.
Uh, the
Bao
text
Bao's
can be
Cozy
something beautifully
Laundromat.
made. Yeah, it's a really nice game. By the way, I have my name in the credits for this.
So cool. So cool. Baba's Cozy Laundromat, right?
Mm. Yes, this one only.
Amazing, amazing.
Why does it have mixed reviews though? I really like
Ah.
it. The art so good.
Art is pretty good, yeah.
He just announced another one. He announced just another one. It's called something cleaning. Bao Bao's
Cleaning
something.
services.
Yeah, services. He's making Bao Bao universe.
That's actually pretty cool. I mean, we need original IPs and sequels and for such kind of games like indie games.
The animation's so cool.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah. Wow. Oh wow. Panda seems happy looking at the dirty.
currency is rupees. Yeah. This is rupees. Okay, we can make this better. This is so ugly. Okay. See. Arrow. And then we just clear some currency. So this is the arrow. And I just write rupees. Rupees. And what all can we use the currency for?
We can use for cosmetic upgrades. I was thinking like you can get different types of colors in your rickshaw. Like there is in Mumbai there is black and yellow rickshaw, but in Kolkata there is green and yellow. Then we can go out of the box and make red and yellow. We can make a golden rickshaw for just for the sake of it, because why not?
We can make banana rickshaw as well.
Banana rickshaw as well, yeah.
Cosmetics. Yeah.
Oh,
So
I
there
just
can be a lot of rickshaws.
I just remembered we had kept a tiger inside the rickshaw for no reason whatsoever. So
Yeah.
what about that?
Why is it? What should we do about that?
I don't know.
I mean, it actually makes no sense. I mean, it's so dumb, but it's cool.
Yeah, I think
I don't know.
we'll just leave the model be inside the game as an Easter egg,
Yeah.
and it'll just be for the OGs
Easter
to
egg
know
is-
that there is a tiger inside the rickshaw. Like
Share.
only the people on who have seen the dev stream will know that there is a tiger inside a rickshaw.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Huh. Okay. All right. I'm back to the Miro board.
Yeah, used for cosmetics, something else also. Like you can use
Boosters.
it to revive yourself, probably.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Revive.
Revive. Maybe some power
And
ups or
you can watch
boosters.
ads to on them.
Yeah.
Ads to on. Watch ads to on what? On more rupees. Okay, so that's that for rupees for now. And power ups. So we can actually add some nitro boost thingy.
Yeah.
So I'll just add power ups over here somewhere. Uh, 7 nitro boost. Just change the numbering to 8. So that's that. And arrow nitro boost. So how does the nitro boost work again? FOV is increased, speed is
Yeah.
increased, score is boosted.
Yep.
Boost increases. FOV. We will just increase the sense of speed, not actually increasing the speed will make it less fuzzy.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Speed and we'll just increase the multiplier.
Mm-hmm.
Increase multiplier for score. And how do we get these rupees again? Do we have coins in game right now?
I think no. Let's not add any coins. Those will be a multiplier of all the combos that we gather along the way.
Okay.
Because you already have the daily
So
news part, right?
formula for the same.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll find the formula. Economy formula for money from score. One interesting story.
Yeah.
It was about a month or so ago.
Okay.
I was asking AI to generate an image for me.
Okay.
So it was a box actually. So
Yeah.
I asked it that please generate a box for me, and it should be in top down front view.
Okay.
And it kept giving me an isometric view. So I was like, please do it, 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 please do it.
Yeah.
And I did that for approximately 10 to 12 times, and it didn't give me a result. And the 13th time, it drew a gun pointing at me.
What? Seriously?
It generated a gun that was pointing at me, actually. And
Do
I was
you
like,
have
what do you
a?
mean by this?
Do you have a? Do you? Can you share that screen?
Yeah, I have a chat for this. I'll show. Wait,
Whoa.
I'll have to find it first.
Okay. Wait.
It
I'm gonna.
actually showed me a gun.
I'm gonna stop streaming and let's look at. Please share your screen. I'm genuinely kind of concerned for you as well now.
I'll show. No. Nothing will happen to me. Wait.
I mean,
Where is this though?
you mess up with
I'll have to
AI, you
find it.
never
I
know.
mean, I forgot.
You mess up with AI, you never know.
This thingy. Okay, this is not it. So it must be again now. So
Whoa. So guys, I'm really curious on what happened. Like AI got so frustrated with Blastipede that it made an image of a gun pointing
I
towards him.
found it. I found
Okay.
it. I found the chat.
Cool. I'm
I
very
found
curious.
the chat.
Okay.
I found it. Okay. Oh my god, this is gonna be so fucking fun. Okay. Look at this.
Okay. All right, guys.
Is my screen visible?
It is loading. Yeah.
So basically, oh my god, what happened? Yeah. So basically, I have this Go thingy for my chat GPT. So it can't actually stop me from giving prompts. So I'll same viewing angle also, bro. I want a front top view and this.
What? Can you go all the way to the top? The first prompt.
Yeah. Like I was just doing all of this shit.
Yeah.
No, this give me a wooden crate in style of the second image that I have attached.
Yeah.
Okay, so this was the image and this was this. So I was trying to create an asset, but it wasn't giving me this exact asset in this art style.
Yeah.
So it wasn't able to do so. Same viewing angle also, bro. This I want a front to top view angle and this.
Oh, oh my god. And you asked what is this? Then what did it reply?
Let me see. And then you look at this. It's so sketchy. Like what is this?
Yeah. That image is a cartoon style revolver gun drawn in bold comic inspired art style with thick outlines and flat shading. It's depicted from a front top down
No,
perspective.
and
Wow.
and meaning the viewer is looking directly down the barrel of the gun, the grip in yellow orange is visible, and there's a small puff of smoke to give into playful animation. And look at this,
If you're
rather than a realistic or violent tone.
if you're actually
this.
asking for something else, for example a wooden crate from the top angle, I can regenerate that instead.
Which was precisely what I was asking for. Which was precisely
Wow.
what I was asking for.
AI is done with you, man. AI is
Yeah,
done with you.
precisely.
Damn, that was intense. I mean, I got chills looking at that. Okay.
I felt scared as well at times. I think Go and Pro is to hide AI. Huh?
Wow.
I mean, hide AI's aggressive nature.
Yeah. Damn. Okay. Alright, so
So is the Miro board done or is there more to it?
I think we should be good enough with this part.
Okay, I'll just make a to-do list then.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a to-do list thing?
Sticky note.
Timeline. So how fast do we want this to be done?
I mean, in every stream we are gonna get max of 1 to 1.5 hours. So I don't know.
1.5.
An hour every day,
It's just
basically.
a mobile game, no?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Should we be
does
done?
mobile controls work?
Will this be done before IGDC? I mean, okay. Here's the thing. We don't necessarily have to build this only on stream. If you want to work on it independently, you can do that as well.
No, I have a project that I'm actively
Okay.
working on, so that's
Cool.
doubtful.
Cool. So at least that part is clear that 1 hour during the live stream is blocked out for this project. So right now we are on 15th of October. We have 16, 17. Then I'm going to stream during the weekdays only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 12 hours to make this. It's actually less than a game jam as well.
Okay, so I mean, if something I would change about the game is pretty much everything, so I don't know where to begin with.
I think we can also scrap the entire
No.
mechanic.
No, I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
See, it's not that I'm saying that. The thing is, first of all, most of this is AI generated, right?
Correct.
So it would be hard for me to make alterations to it based on my.
Your voice is cracking.
Thing is, like, the good part about the game, the auto actually switching lanes.
Hello.
Am I audible?
You are audible. The only thing is that you're turning into a robot in between.
I'll relaunch my Discord and be back.
Yeah. So guys, to sum it up, we have this Miro board right now, and I'm gonna try and share this view access with you all so you guys can take a look at it. Okay, so here's the view. Oh my goodness, I need to shorten this link. Okay, I'll be back in some time. Okay, cool. Let me see if I can copy board link. publish. No. It's a huge link. So let me see link shortener.
No.
Hey, the link is too big for a view access. Can you share a shorter link with me?
A shorter link, and I don't know how.
I can just
Wait, I'll just
use tiny URL.
tiny URL. Yeah, sure.
Okay. So
Link is all of this.
it's huge. The view access link is huge. So guys, you can tune into this URL. We will be presenting all the Miro board progress with you guys. We are adding skins of auto in game like the e-rickshaw later. Yeah, Manan. We are going to add skins and all.
Sir, I want to find something. Can you open Unity once and disable the buildings and check the batch count?
Yes. Building prefabs and just make it 0.
Oh, okay. Your stream is lagging a bit.
Uh,
God, why is my internet so bad?
it's the buildings are also like they're not making that much of a difference. Hello. Hello. Why are you distracted from your main game development, which is Mumbai Gullies? Why not focus on that instead? So because Shivam, I'm not distracted. The game is, first and foremost, I am not the primary developer on the game. There is a dedicated team that is working on the game. I'm not working on the game. Okay. And like I just found out that I'm probably better at doing YouTube than because I used to enjoy making all these videos and stuff. People might think that I'm directly involved in the development process, which I'm not. Okay. So yeah, the game's development process is happening independently without me, and I'm just trying to build a community so that eventually when the game does get ready, there will be an active number of people who I will be able to reach out, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to create distribution for my game. Sure. I hope that answers your question. Blasivit, are you there? Oh, he locked off. Okay, so we're gonna wait for Blastivit to come back. Oh, okay. All right. So guys, this is the Miro board if you want to keep a track of what the development process is. Shivam says, just want that game to come soon, man. I love your content and your concepts, but I just want Mumbai Gullies so badly. Me too, Shivam, me too. I want that game to come out as soon as possible. The only issue is that it's just taking time, and there's nothing that we can do to speed it up. It is something that needs time, and it needs that amount of time. Internet is bad. Lazy Shed, no problem at all. In fact, I was just about to end the stream anyway, so we can be done for the day. Actually, I will just chit chat with you guys for a bit, and then I'll end the stream for now. What's your role in the game? So Manan, my role is to make sure that we are finding out the right set of partners. My role is to make sure that the production goes on track. My role is essentially like I'm the CEO of Gaming Studios, right? So I'm managing the company while there is a different set of people working on the product. So yeah, bro, मैं बी गेमर गेम्स हूँ, दूसरे अकाउंट से कर रहा हूँ. ओके बी गेमर गेम्स, आप कितने भी अकाउंट सेव कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. हाँ. So my role, Manan, is to oversee the operations of the company. I'm involved in making sure that there are nice set of people or the process is streamlined. I'm not the developer on the game. I'll just clarify that. So yeah, भाई खत्म गेम डेवलपमेंट आज के लिए खत्म. So guys, and we are going to continue streaming this game development process, and we have around 12 hours to finish this game. We'll try and finish this game before IGDC, and we'll try to launch it as a wacky rickshaw crazy game. Let's see why the engine switch happened earlier. Naman, I have mentioned this in a separate video. You can check it out. What the hell happened with Mumbai Gillies? I've explained an entire thing. Let's go. Lazy Shed, you're back. Okay. Hey. Are you back? Can you hear me? Hello. Blasty Pete, are you there? Hello? Again. Tech mess ups happen only with tech people. That's a wisdom that I heard during one of my meetings in the last couple of years. Anyway, guys, so Lazy Shed, let's do one thing. Let's pick this up in another stream. We've made some amount of progress today. We're trying to salvage things now, and we're trying to get things on track. This is the Miro board, by the way, guys. If you want to take a look at this for your own learning purposes, you can refer to this and draw whatever conclusion you want. Tech team ko bulao. Yeah. Okay, so I think not much got achieved today, but that's fine. There are some days like that. Some days you just have to get through. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this stream now. For now, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna log out of Discord. So guys, okay, let me set some context now. Okay, so right now we are building this game called सोगे जाके हाँ सो ही जाएंगे यार. So we are building this game called Rickshaw Rampage, which is a crazy endless runner game which involves a rickshaw running on the streets, and there are incoming obstacles and we have to avoid them. There's some buildings and all, etc., and there's this crazy newspaper system that we are building as well. Okay, and I'm going to share early source code access to the members of my channel. So if you want to join my channel, you can subscribe to the Nikhil Malankar club. Membership starts at 59 rupees a month only, and for 159 rupees a month I am sharing my daily life vlogs over here. One quick thing for the members, today I did not record any vlogs because I was super duper busy with a couple of stuff, but tomorrow is an interesting day. Tomorrow there's going to be some very, very crazy moments because I've got a bunch of meetings lined up. In fact, which reminds me, I have to sleep early now so that I'm able to make it in time for all the meetings. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna happen tomorrow, but today I did not record any vlogs, guys. Sorry for that. भाई मेरी गेम देख लो ना, टेल्स बियॉन्ड टू गेमर्स ने भी खेली है. 616 गेम्स के साथ 20% काम किया था. देखेंगे भी गेमर गेम्स, देखेंगे. अभी तो यार मेरी हालत देखो, तुम मेरी हालत देखो. थोड़ा कल मीटिंग्स वगैरह है, थोड़ा काम शाम कर लूँ मैं. ठीक है, तो कल शाम को फिर से मिलते हैं, कल शाम को देख लेंगे. ठीक है guys, so yeah, not much for now, and guys, I hope you guys watched the AMS session with IGDC that I did this evening on my channel. So we answered some of the most pressing questions about IGDC this year. If you haven't seen it already, be sure to check it out. We've tried to answer some of the most commonly asked questions around IGDC this year, including what sort of hotels to stay at, including some controversial questions as well. So you can check that out over here. And I hope you guys have registered for IGDC this year. I'm gonna be there, and I'll host a small meetup over there for our game dev folks as well. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna happen. And कल देखोगे ना, भूल ना जाना, वरना मैं आपके पापा से शिकायत कर दूँगा. ठीक है, कर दो भाई शिकायत अगर मैंने कल नहीं देखा तो. ठीक है. Okay guys, so that's it for this stream now. I'm gonna start with my outro dialogue. So guys, hope you enjoyed the stream. If you did, hit the like button. If you're finding my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next videos. My name is Nikhil Malankar. I'm a game developer by profession, and on my YouTube channel you'll find videos around games, game development, and now recently entrepreneurship as well. So yeah, and before you go to sleep, do not forget to brush your teeth. It's important to take care of your teeth as well as your health. With that small message, take care, good night, sweet dreams, and I love you all. Mwah.